have a jewelry store in the name of Shriya's at Madhapur. We're in the industry for the past 9 years. I'm happy to announce that I'm joining Varun for the Lakme Fashion Week to showcase my jewelry along with his clothing line. And we are specializing this season in Victorian jewelry. Victorian is a trending jewelry right now. So with the black antique polish, and it goes well with all Indian wear as well as the Western wear, Indo-Westerns. Most of the youngsters nowadays are preferring to wear Indo-Westerns. So we chose this line to make it common for all the platforms. Like they can wear it either on saris, on gagras, on Indo-Westerns. See, jewelry is not like, you can't specify jewelry to one particular dress, right? We are generalizing it to all the fashions. Like they can wear it on all kinds of dresses. And in our jewelry, we're using more of KC pearls, which they used to use earlier. Nowadays, it's become little rare, and now we reintroduced the KC pearls along with the Victorian stuff. And we're doing a lot of diamond jewelry also. Earlier it was a little heavier and all. Now we made it very sleek for the youngsters to carry them well. So we've brought up a lot more new designs this season. So you can view our collections along with Varun's stuff.
We're presenting almost 16 looks at the Lakme Fashion Week. So it starts off with a very pastel palette with very light colors. Like we're doing buff beige, which is a very new color. And you know, beiges and whites have always been very favorite for a lot of young crowd. So, and it starts with that color, it goes to a pastel pink. Then we have greens coming. And the last color of this collection would be like a twilight blue. So it starts with a pastel and just goes to a darker hue. So, and a lot of menswear has also been introduced. Like we're doing achkans for men, we're doing sherwanis, we're doing draped jackets and draped kurtas, and with different colors, pastel colors. So very pearl based embroidery is what we've done in this collection. So it's going to be like what it was like 1.5-2 years earlier. So because it's an offline show, so we are very much excited.